Online, anyone can fake a logo, copy a screenshot, or slap a verified badge on a website. To a first-time visitor, a polished scam looks exactly like a real business. So they hesitate, and that hesitation is the moment you quietly lose the sale. Scam sites and fake businesses get more convincing every year. So customers have learned to look for proof before they act. Who actually runs this site? Is this a real, established business? And can I check that myself, independently, before I hand over money or data? Trust signals are what close that gap: a verifiable badge, a public profile, and an independent record a visitor can inspect without taking your word for it. That is exactly what TrustSeal gives an online business. TrustSeal works in 3 clear steps. First, you verify that you control your domain. Second, you get an explainable trust score. And third, you publish a live badge your customers can click and check for themselves. Under the hood, TrustSeal first confirms you control the domain. Then it turns ownership confirmation, TLS, reputation, and risk signals into a single, explainable trust score from 0 to 100, and it updates as your standing changes. That score maps to a trust band. Verified means ownership is confirmed and the signals are strong. Established means a solid, consistent reputation history. And lower bands clearly flag domains that are thin, new, or unverified, so the label always means something. All of this is documented openly in the Trust Center: the methodology, the verification standards, the signal library, and how confidence and coverage are calculated. Nothing about the score is hidden. The result is your public trust page, a live, shareable proof of verification that any customer, partner, or platform can open and check at any time. Now the live walkthrough. Open TrustSeal and go to Verify. From here you can check any domain's public trust status, or claim and verify a domain you own. Let's verify our own business. To verify your own domain, TrustSeal issues a unique DNS TXT record. You sign in, then add that record at your DNS provider, on the host shown, your Apex domain, or the _TrustSeal fallback if you prefer. DNS can take a few minutes to propagate. Once the record is detected, TrustSeal rechecks automatically and confirms ownership: no manual approval, no waiting on support. Your badge goes live. And here's the finished result. Your trust page now shows your status as established, the verification method is DNS, the date you were verified, and when it was last checked, with a one-click verifiable certificate to download. Let's break down the score. The trust summary gives you the score out of 100, the confidence level behind it, and the coverage, how much evidence the score is actually based on. The number is never a black box. Beneath that, individual public signals each contribute: an established domain, a clean blocklist record, and more. And the trust history charts how your standing has changed over time, so the page tells a story, not just a snapshot. Because trust has to be trustworthy itself, TrustSeal documents its own security and standards too: how data is handled and how verification is kept honest. Everything you've seen is also available programmatically. TrustSeal exposes a trust API that anyone can call to read a domain's verified status, so trust can live wherever your product needs it. For developers, the docs cover the public trust API, the verification lifecycle, trust badge setup, and how to pull a domain's live status straight into your own checkout, dashboard, or marketplace. Pricing is simple, and it starts free. The free plan verifies one domain and gives you a public seal page at no cost. Pro, at 499 rupees a month, adds up to 10 domains and an embeddable signed badge, less than one recovered sale. From there, business and enterprise scale things up: more domains, higher API quotas, and team features like the command center. And there's a dedicated agency plan for managing trust across many client domains. Every plan is laid out in a clear comparison, prices include GST, and you can cancel anytime, so you can start free and upgrade only when the trust badge is paying for itself. So who is TrustSeal for? Agencies verify every client domain and manage trust at scale. SaaS companies show verified trust right at sign-up. E-commerce brands turn checkout hesitation into completed purchases. And local businesses prove they are real and established. And every verified business joins the wider trust network, a growing, independently checkable record of legitimate businesses that customers, and increasingly other platforms, can rely on. There's even a live verification feed, showing trust being established across the network in real time, proof that this is an active, living system, not a static seal. So here's the bottom line. If you run an online business, this is how you turned out into trust. Verify once with a single DNS record, publish a badge customers can actually check, and stop losing sales to hesitation. Getting started is free, and if you're just launching, there's a founder pilot where the team sets it up with you. Head to TrustSeal.asquaresolution.com and verify your business today. TrustSeal isn't limited to one market. The entire product is available in English, Hindi, Spanish, and Arabic, so TrustSeal helps businesses build trust globally with full multilingual support. So build trust, verify your business, and earn your customers' confidence. Visit TrustSeal.asquaresolution.com to get started. TrustSeal, powered by Asquare Solutions.